So these items right here are one box. So this is, I just don't have the box anymore. I threw it away. And then here's the second box and the third box. So I'm going to be using a mixture of these in today's video. The product I'm going to be using is this here. And this is the Farcelli Quench Moisture Replenishing Serum. I cannot speak. This is what it looks like. Glass bottle. And I really need this because my skin is horrible right now. Okay. Wow, there's not that much product in there. Doesn't really have a scent to it. Like super dry, gosh. Is that Illuminati? By Isabel Bedoya? I cannot pronounce her name. But, I mean, look at these eyeshadows, how stunning. Very beautiful. Stunning. Okay, and then the second palette is going to be this here. And this is the Queen. And it's from Eloise. This kind of reminds me of, oh gosh, I cannot think, Juvia's eyeshadow palettes. If I can get this out. So this is it. Ooh, look how gorgeous. I'm excited about these palettes. I love color. Okay, so I'm gonna have these both out. In with Rai Rai, which is this shade here. Hopefully it's not shimmery. Let me see. It's not even showing up. Okay, shade right there. Focus Glow Drops by Rodeo. Nice. Alright. I love the color of it. Okay, so kind of smells like spa, like a spa a little bit. Can't tell what else. Let's see. So this is a featherweight light to medium coverage foundation, and it says it's a deeply hydrating. So you want to shake well before using, and then it says 2 to 4 drops on the skin and use your fingertips. So it's supposed to be like a tinted moisturizer, I guess. I don't know how I feel about that. I don't think I like that. Well, I'm gonna put my regular foundation on and I'll be back. In the box is a Milk Makeup, and this is a highlighting illuminator. So I've got their blushes. I've never tried their highlighter, and I feel like that's gonna remove my makeup. So I'm just gonna take it. Until it's doing anything. Okay, do better on this side. Nice. Pink Elizabeth. And that's gonna go in the lower lash line. Higher, which is that shade right there. Nice. Eyeliner here. This is from Stila. It's Smudge Stick Waterproof Eyeliner. And this is from Pretty Vulgar. And this is called Nesting Face. Okay, so it's a contour and blush and highlight palette. This one right here. Contour right there. I guess that's a thing now where you contour right higher than normal, or than you normally do. I seen Jaclyn Hill do it, and she got it from, oh my gosh, I can't think. Where did she get it from? Oh, I think she's Irish. Wait, Irish? How come I can't think of her name? And I watch her, oh, Genevieve, Jamie? And then someone else did it too. I can't remember. It's got some shimmer to it. Right here. And this is called Glimmers of BS. By Ace Beauty, and this is the Draw It lip liner. Ew. Color of them. This, and this is by Laura Geller. I do like Laura Geller. This is 50 Kisses Lip Blocking Liquid Color. I'm not sure about this color though. Okay, well, I'm gonna try out the lip liner. Oh, itch. Okay. Ooh. Alright guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys have a beautiful day, beautiful night, wherever you are. And I will see you in the next one.